How to pass an instance variable to a decorator inside class definition. I'd like to use a decorator which accepts an argument, checks if that argument is not none, and if true it lets the decorated function run. I want to use this decorator inside a class definition, because I have a set of class methods which starts with checking if a specific instance variable is none or not. I think it would look nicer if I used a decorator. I'd like to do something like this.
This is a little tricky, because you want to do several things, each of them a little finicky. 1. You want to pass an argument to a decorator and, 2. You want that argument to refer to the instance, but the instance doesn't exist at the time of decoration, so we'll have to defer it somehow. You could use a function, or an item getter, but here I'll use a string, and I won't use functools.wraps like I should cause I'm lazy. Something like should work.
If you want to see more